Truth Unveiled here, and if you're like me and you're tired of using all of those medications and pills and disgusting supplements, then I recommend these top 10 herbs and natural healing methods that can help you heal and help your body heal. In fact, according to Roberta Lee, who is the medical director of Continuum Center for Health and Healing at Beth Israel Medical Center in New York City, herbs and other natural remedies can be as effective as traditional treatments, and we know this is true as many natural herbs have been used in teas and medicines and different foods and dishes for thousands and thousands of years. And the first one that you're looking at is in fact rosemary, because it's even been proven that rosemary helps prevent damage to blood vessels, aids with cardiovascular health, and according to Cancer Treatment Reviews, it even helps prevent the spread of cancer with carcinic acid. And according to Carrie Glassman of the O2 Diet, she even agrees as well. Now, garlic is also an effective healing herb and can help you prevent with many diseases, including heart diseases, according to Dr. X. It also even has an anti-cancer effects and can even also help rid those bugs when you mix it with mint and water, and you can even use it as a bug repellent. But did you know that garlic has been used for thousands of years to help people with their ailments? In fact, garlic is not the only one, because ginger also helps too. Did you know that ginger can help aid nausea, motion sickness, and pain? Ginger has also been proven to be effective when it comes to arthritis, joint pain, as well as muscle pain, and in fact, it's also anti-inflammatory. And that's not the only one, because even cinnamon helps too. And according to a recent German study conducted a few years ago, cinnamon can help lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels, especially when it comes to those who are fighting with type 2 diabetes. But did you know that cinnamon is also a very effective antioxidant? It is also an anti-inflammatory, and it can even help and aid with treating diarrhea and indigestion. Now, of course, we have our favorite, which is basil. Now, what's good about basil is that it can help combat the stress. So if you're dealing with stress, I highly recommend you try some basil and try adding it to a few of your favorite meals and dishes. But it can also inhibit breast cancer, along with many other cancers and diseases and ailments that you may be going to. In fact, according to Dr. Pratima Nangia Maker of the Barbara Ann Karmanos Cancer Institute, she also used basil to relieve indigestion and annoying headaches. If you're also thinking about dandelion, well, I highly recommend it, and so does the National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine, because according to them, traditional and folk use includes liver or kidney tonic as well as a diuretic, but also dandelions can be used for minor indigestion, not to mention it can also be used for diabetic relief, and it's even been proven by the University of Maryland Medical Center as a good effective for the liver, but also even for urinary and cancer relief. But if you also like turmeric, then I highly recommend that as well, because did you know turmeric can help prevent colon cancer and even Alzheimer's? And according to a study done by the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, curcumin, which is contained in turmeric, can help shrink precancerous lesions known as colon polyps when effectively taken with quercetin, which is an antioxidant commonly found in onions, apples, and carrots. And according to the National Institute of Health, turmeric can even help treat depression, liver disease, and even skin ailments, not to mention how it can help aid heartburn and even arthritis. And if you would like to learn more about turmeric, I've done a video on turmeric, which I will leave in the description box below. But if you're really hungry, then I also recommend cumin, because did you know cumin can help regulate blood sugar levels? And according to Dr. Axe, it can also help aid with digestion as well as cardiovascular disease, fevers, and even urinary disorders. Cumin has also been proven to help aid with stomach ulcers, and it can even help you aid when it comes to weight loss. But if you're in the mood for something sweet, then I highly recommend mint as well as peppermint, because did you know peppermint and mint can help and aid when it comes to allergies? In fact, according to a 2011 study that was done, researchers found that it can also help alleviate irritable bowel syndrome. And according to Dr. Axe, mint has been shown to help aid when it comes to stomach aches, poor digestion, fever, hiccups, sinuses, and even earaches. Mint is also an effective antioxidant. And if you're wondering what this final herb is, it is in fact saffron. Now, although it is the most expensive herb and spice to be found, it can help aid in depression, asthma, cancer, and even menstrual relief. And even Dr. Axe has said that it was used in ancient biblical times to help with bubonic plagues, stomach upsets, indigestion, and even smallpox. And according to WebMD, it can also help and aid with coughing too. So hopefully these herbs have helped you, and hopefully this has helped you with your health. And as always, please seek Yahuwah and his true son Yahusha for even more effective healing, the one who has created all of the herbs and has given us all of the herbs for healing and healing purposes. So the next time you want to go to the hospital or go to the doctor in order to get medications or pills, you know exactly what to do, because you know to say no to medicines altogether. But this is Truth Unveiled here, saying shalom.